Today we're going to look at this, the MECO Mini Air Duster. This was sent to me for my evaluation. First of all, very well built, aluminum alloy case, very, very compact. It comes with this felt bag to hold this and all of the attachments in it. It comes in multiple colors, by the way. It has 4 speeds up to 180,000 RPMs, okay? Very easy to just kind of push that button, start it. I don't have much hair, so, okay. The attachments, it has 5 of them. A variety of them, so it can do everything from blowing out your vents in your car, your computer, your keyboard, all the way up to blowing leaves. Seriously. My favorite is this one right here. I'm going to use this to blow up all my pool toys this summer, and also to suck the air out of it. Comes with the charging cord and these brushes. Did I say it comes in multiple colors? This one is purple, so there it is. I like it. I'm going to use it. Definitely has a lot of capabilities to it. All right, there you go. Take a look at it.